You ever notice how some companies love the word soon? As in, this amazing new feature is coming soon, and then a year later it's still coming soon. Well, Google's not having it anymore. They just dropped a new ad for the Pixel 10, and it's not pulling any punches. It's basically saying, why wait for soon when you can get now? And even though no names were mentioned, we all know who that jab was aimed at. This isn't just a product teaser. It's a quiet mic drop. And the message is loud and clear: AI isn't the future anymore. It's here and Google's ready to flex. Welcome back, viewers! James here. Make sure to share this video and subscribe to the channel if you love staying ahead of the tech curve. Let's get into it. So here's the setup. Google's latest Pixel 10 ad throws the word soon under the bus. The narration goes, if you buy a new phone because of a feature that's coming soon, but it's been coming for a full year, you could change your definition of soon, or just change your phone. Ouch. You don't have to be a detective to figure out which trillion-dollar fruit company that line is targeting. And honestly, it stings because it's true. Remember mid-2024? When Apple hyped up Apple Intelligence like it was going to change everything. Smarter Siri, new AI tools, language understanding, all that good stuff. But fast forward to today, and most of those features are still sitting in the coming later in 2025 section. Meanwhile, over on Google's side, they're not just talking, they're shipping. Pixel 8 brought Gemini Nano. Pixel 9 expanded it. Now, with the Pixel 10 on the horizon, Google's basically saying, let's finish what we started. And what's coming with Pixel 10? Well, let's just say it's not just a new look. There's Magic Q, an AI assistant that doesn't just answer questions. It predicts what you're trying to do before you do it. Need to draft an email. It helps. Planning a trip. It's 2 steps ahead. And of course, the camera tools are getting smarter too. Think next-gen photo editing with real-time scene understanding. The best part. Most of this will be ready at launch, not next year, not soon. Now, it's a subtle ad, sure, but it's also a declaration. Google is done waiting, and they're not just nudging users, they're throwing shade with confidence. Apple might still dominate the sales charts, but Google's gunning for a different crown: AI leadership. And if the Pixel 10 delivers everything it promises, that crown might just be within reach. Now, let's talk pricing, because Google actually pulled off something rare this year. For the regular Pixel 10, we're still looking at $799 in the US and $1,099 in Canada for a 20 GB. Upgraded to 6GB, that's $80.99 in the US. And bonus, you're getting 6 months of Google AI Pro, 6 months of Fitbit Premium, and 3 months of YouTube Premium bundled in. That's a pretty decent haul. $299 for 28GB, higher tiers $199 for 256GB, 219 or fine 20GB, and $104.49 for the massive 1TB version. Oh, and you get a full year of Google AI Pro here. That's a solid upgrade. Now, here's where the price hike sort of happens. The Pixel 10 Pro XL starts at $199, but only because there's no 128GB option anymore. 256GB is now the new entry one at the top model. You're looking at the $105 and $49 for 1TB in the US, and yes, the Pixel 10 Pro Fold is back too. Same price as last year, $107.99 for 256GB. 512GB bumps it to $109.19, and new this year, a 1T model for $2,149. It's expensive, sure, but if you're the type who lives on the bleeding edge, it's kind of a flex. So here's the bigger picture. Google isn't just talking about innovation. They're challenging everyone else to keep up. This new ad isn't just about features. It's a reality check. Stop waiting for someday. Start expecting right now. The AI race is no longer theoretical. It's playing out in real time. And with August 20th set for the Pixel 10 launch, we're about to see whether Google's bold words match real-world results. If they do, we're looking at one of the most disruptive smartphones of the year, maybe the most. And that's where you come in. Are you sticking with what you have, eyeing the Pixel 10, or holding out for what Apple finally delivers in 2025? Drop your thoughts below. I want to hear from you. And of course, if you found this interesting, hit that like button, share the video with your favorite tech friend, and subscribe for more updates that actually matter. I've got way more coming your way, so don't miss it. Until next time, stay curious, stay sharp, and I'll catch you in the next one.